Good day, ma'am. My name is Rachel Tablon, and in this video, I'll be sharing my personal understanding of leadership, a real experience where I had to step up and what I discovered about myself as a leader. So, defining the unseen. For me, leadership is not just a title of position. It's responsibility. It's about taking initiative, guiding others, and make sure a group moves toward a common goal. A leader doesn't always have to be the loudest or the smartest person in the room. Instead, leadership is shown through actions like listening, helping others to improve, and staying calm during challenges. I believe leadership is also about influence. It's how you inspire people to do their best, even when things are difficult. So, in my own words, leadership is a combination of responsibility, action, and influence that helps a group succeed together. So, the step up moment. One situation where I had to step up was a leader was during a group project or a group activities in school. Our task is was to create a presentation, but as the deadline got closer, our group started falling apart. Some members were not contributing, others were confused about their roles, and we were running out of time. The main challenge was the lack of coordination and communication. If we didn't fix it quickly, we might fail the project. So I decided to take action. First, I organized a group meeting and clearly divided the task based to each members. So I made sure that everyone understood their responsibilities and deadlines. I also checked on their progress regularly and offered help whenever someone was struggling. Instead of blaming anyone, I focus on encouraging the group and keeping everyone motivated. So in the end, we were able to finish the project on time. Our presentation turned out well, and we received a good grade. More importantly, is our group worked better together, and everyone contributed in their own way. So, self-analysis, the connection. Looking back at my experience, I would describe my leadership style as more as a supporter or coach. I didn't just give orders, I made sure everyone felt included and capable of doing their part. I focused on helping my teammates succeed, my classmates, rather than controlling everyone it myself. At the same time, I also showed a bit of take charge attitude when it was needed, especially when organizing tasks and making sure we stayed on track. So, I learned that leadership is flexible. Sometimes you need to guide, sometimes you need to support, and sometimes you need to step forward and make decisions. So, leadership is about stepping up when it matters, working with others, and helping everyone reach a common goal. That's all what I understand what is leadership. Thank you for listening.